Were you interested in trying that Wendy's Dreamsicle Frosty? Well, I tried it, but you may have missed your chance because they're moving on to the next flavor, so I'll show you how you can just make it yourself. First step requires some patience. You're going to add some fresh squeezed or store-bought orange juice into an ice tray. Let that freeze overnight unless you have some ice maker that makes ice in like 2 seconds. Add your orange cubes to a blender, then add about a cup of Cool Whip, or I chose to use vanilla Greek yogurt. I could use the extra protein and it's a little bit healthier, I guess. About that much of sweetened condensed milk and a splash of orange juice just to help it blend well in the blender. Now, don't let it blend too long because you know these things heat up and we don't want it to melt. We still need it to be a little bit frozen, okay? Now that's basically it. Just pour it up. I had to let mine set up in the freezer for a couple minutes just because it started to melt and I still wanted it to be a little bit thicker like a Frosty should be. And there you have it. Your easy freeze blend 3 ingredients, a little bit healthier. All those extra stuff that they be putting in it, don't understand why they have to have it. Make it yourself. Orange Dreamsicle Frosty. And this one actually has some orange flavor. Yum yum.